Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making these gorgeous, super sparkly, purple amethyst inspired agate slice resin coasters. So stick around and we'll jump in and get right to it. I'm using the Total Boat tabletop epoxy. I already mixed up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link one of my tutorials down below. I just cut out the mixing to save time. My friend Debbie at Deluxe Art sells Color Passion pigments, and she sent me a few samples to try. So we're going to be using the Color Passion Luxury Silver, Amethyst, Drier Days, Sparkler Glitter in Eiffel, and Res Angel White. I'm adding just a tiny bit of my pigment to my clear resin here. I only mixed up about an ounce of the amethyst and luxury silver. And I reuse my cups. That's why you're kind of seeing gold in the cup. We're not using gold in this pour, but if you just take the stick out of your cups when you're done pouring, leave your cup, sitting upright on your table. Everything that's inside your cup will set up, and you can reuse your cups for your future pours. The old colors won't bleed in to the new colors as long as everything was 100% mixed thoroughly. So as you can see, I just went in with the Eiffel Sparkler Glitter from Drier Days, just in the center and around the rim. I'm adding the luxury silver, some clear resin, and I'm going to go around the clear with the amethyst, and that amethyst is such a gorgeous color. I wanted this set to be really transparent, but I'm excited to use the amethyst in the future and really build up the color because it's a really, really gorgeous purple. So I'm just going to do a little bit of white, and I actually added too much white. I was just wanting a little bit, but I poured it a little bit too fast. So I would add less white next time when I do this because you'll see the white kind of spread out a lot. Hitting it with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles, and then I'm going to go in and take my finger and swirl the white around. And of course, that's going to introduce bubbles again because you're moving the resin around. So I hit it again with my heat gun on low, and then I'm going to cover them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and then we'll be ready to demold them. And I apologize for the glare. I forgot to turn off my overhead LED light when I started filming this, and I was like, oh geez, when I was watching this back. But with that being said, the LED lights are really good for spotting like dust or debris that might land up in your wet resin. So you can just go in with a toothpick and scoop that out before it dries, because you don't want that to end up in your wet resin. I also have a tabletop LED light I picked up off Amazon. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It works really good because you can just pick it up and grab it and move it around, and you can really hold it over your piece to make sure you get any little specks of dust or pet hair if you have pets like I do. The hairs love to land in the wet resin, and that's if dust or debris on your clothing before you pour. So what I like to do is I'll take a lint roller and lint roll my shirt, everything I'm wearing before I pour, and that seems to help eliminate some of the dusties and pet hair problem. So here they are all demolded. I think they turned out really pretty. I love how subtle the mica powder turned out in these, and that's what I was going for. I wanted a really soft, kind of pretty subtle color, mostly clear in this set, and the luxury silver is really pretty too. So I'll link Debbie's website below. Like I said, she sells the Color Passion pigments, and off camera I did a silver kind of rim or edging, I guess, on this set, and I just use a paint I picked up off Amazon. It's not permanent, so I will need to do a top coat on these. So I'll be doing a top coat, and then if you're new to resin, or you want to see how I do my top coat process on my coasters, I'll link one of my videos down below that I made previously. I show step by step how to fix bubbles that landed in your resin and then do a top coat, because I did have a set where I had some bubbles end up in my piece, so I sanded it down and then did a top coat. So check out that video. I'll link it down below, and let me know what you guys think of this set. I think they turned out so soft and pretty. I love that Eiffel sparkler glitter. It's just gorgeous. Be sure to check out Drier Days for your glitters. I have a discount code too, and this set, these exact coaster molds molds are discontinued, but Dryer Days just restocked a very similar set. They're slightly smaller, but they're deeper. So I'll link those down below too if you guys want to check them out. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. I will see you guys soon for another video. I hope you're all doing good. Thanks for watching. Bye.